This is the portal for virtual payment systems. The first step you need to do is to go to the portal page, which is www.vpspay.com. Again, VPS as in virtual payment system, vpspay.com, and that will bring you to this portal page, which is really simple. All it has is basically how to make a payment, a merchant phone number in the field, the amount in the field, and an invoice or reference number. It's that simple for the basic portal page. At the very top, what you would do is go up here, and I'm already logged in, but go in and type in demo, D-E-M-O, so demo becomes the username, and password is password, P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D. That will give you several options across the top. The first one is payment. The second one is profile. The third one is merchant control panel. And the fourth one is log out. We'll get to this here in a minute. First thing we do is we actually go to a particular merchant phone number. What you can do here is actually use the phone number at the very bottom of the page, which is the 866 number. I'll read that to you here in a second. I'm just going to copy that and paste that into the merchant phone number, or the phone number box. The number is 866-637-6125. You'll see that at the bottom of the page. If you were to pay virtual payment systems an amount of $100, you put a 100 in that amount box, and we can put an invoice or a reference as something as simple as happy client. So happy client, and then we'll go over here to the box just below it, which says next step. The one just below it says next step, and what that will do is take us to the next page. If you zoom out, a similar sort of page. It says VPS make a payment. Alright. Payment 2, in this particular case, as a demo, is to VPS, or Virtual Payment Systems, in Indianapolis. Just to confirm, it shows the payment details, the amount that be paid to VPS, which is $100. There is a courtesy fee to use the portal that the consumer, the card holder, will be paying to use this system, and then also the total payment is down below. You can also see the optional invoice or account number here is happy client, of course. Then as far as the payment details, the first box here is the card holder name. The card holder, we'll just say, is John Smith, or something arbitrary. The person that we're paying for, let's say, is William Gates, whomever that would be. And then you have to agree to I agree to the VPS terms of use, with a little checkbox. Next is the email address. We'll move this down here. We'll change this up a little bit to give us some more room. Alright, zoom out just for a brief moment here to see what we're doing. If you've ever been on any major shopping cart page, you'll realize it's that simple. The email address can be, would be the payer's email address. In this particular case, I will put my virtual payment system email address. Phone number is 224-659-4999. You may need that here a little bit later on, but I'll show that to you again. Billing address we'll put as 123 Main Street. This would obviously be the consumer's real address. Bill to city can be anywhere, so we'll put literally anywhere, wherever the city is. We'll say today we're from Hawaii. Might as well choose somewhere fun, right? I unfortunately don't know the zip code in Hawaii, so I'll just make up as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, that zip code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the credit card number. In this particular case, don't use a real credit card number. Just use a fake credit card number. In this particular case, we are going to use a real difficult one, which is 4111 1111 1111 1111. Hard part's knowing how many ones you need to do. Then the CVV2 number, what that actually is a 3-digit code on the back. You probably heard of it as a security code. So in this particular case, we'll put 123. The expiration date needs to be any date in the future. So the expiration date, or the month here in this particular case, we'll make as October. And the year will be 2015, just to make it a date in the future. And note to be included with this particular payment, you could say something like, very happy with services. Thank you. Next step is down here just below the whole field is make a payment. So we'll click on that. So it says make a payment. And what it does, it transitions to the next page where it says VPS, thank you for your payment. Virtual payment system receipts. It gives the number. Your payment will be sent to the company. Please save. Here's the date and time and as a reference number. Payment for William Gates, card holder John Smith. Billing address, as we had mentioned before. Payment again to. All the details are down below. And then the information will actually be emailed to the email address previously. So it's really that simple. And this is a very simple system that can save up to 3% for most merchants, and quite frankly is revolutionary for the opportunities in the merchant account processing industry. If you have any questions, please feel free to call your representative who gave you this link. Also, my name is Brett Gilliland with my phone number as 224-659-4999. Please call during normal business hours if you would. And again, Virtual Payment System sales team, and my email address is below there as bgilliland@virtualpaymentsystem. It is singular for the domain, virtualpaymentsystem.com. Thanks so much, and hopefully you'll address any questions with us.